Hi everyone. Today's episode we are going to discuss ATM flow. So ATM flow is cash withdrawal, balance inquiry, mini statement, PIN change, fund transfer. These are the functionality a customer can do from ATM machine. So when customer perform these transactions or these activities, how the behind the scene the core banking system going to work and how ATM send request to the core banking and process this transaction. Okay, so let's get started with our exercise. So first we'll start with our sample job posting. You can see this project called ATM Modernization project. So our bank, XYZ Bank, is upgrading its ATM network across Canada. The customer will be able to, these are the job requirements. Customer should be able to withdraw cash, deposit cash, check account balances, change PIN, print mini statements. The business analyst will work with ATM team, core banking team, fraud team, network team, and testing team. So the business analyst will gather requirement, document workflows, create user stories, define acceptance criteria, and support testing activities. So the business scenario is XYZ Bank currently operates 500 ATM machines. The bank wants to upgrade ATM software to improve security and customer experience. So this is the business scenario. The ATM system communicates with ATM machine, ATM switch, core banking system, fraud system, notification system. So the bank wants customer to withdraw cash securely and receive transaction confirmation. Right? Okay, so let's get started with our exercise. So exercise 1, arrange the ATM withdrawal process. Number the steps from 1 to 9. Okay, so let's go through the steps. First step is ATM send request to core banking. First, I will read the steps, then we will order. Okay. Customer insert card, cash dispensed, fraud check performed, customer enters PIN, receipt printed, balance updated, customer select withdrawal, customer enters amount. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, the first step, customer insert card, right? So I'll write number 1. So what's the second step? If you remember, you should enter the PIN number. Okay, so you can check all these user actions. If you have ATM card, you can go to the nearest ATM, you can check and you can document this. Number 3, customer selects withdrawal. This is the number 3. Customer selects withdrawal. Number 4, customer enter amount. Okay. Number 5, ATM send a request to core banking. Now request received by the ATM. Now it's send request to core banking. Then fraud check. Number 7, balance updated. Number 8, cash dispensed. Number 9, receipt printed. Okay, so let's go through one by one. Customer insert card, customer enter PIN, customer select withdrawal, customer enters amount, customer request sent to core banking, fraud check performed, cash dispensed, receipt printed. Okay, these are the detailed steps. So now let's go to the second exercise. Identify technical requirements. Circle only technical requirements. Number 1, ATM shall encrypt PIN data. Can you guess, is it a technical requirement or business requirement? So ATM is the user interface here, right? ATM should encrypt PIN data. This is a system requirement. Number 2, customer wants faster withdrawal. Is it a functionality? No, right? So you can mark it as red here. Number 3, ATMs shall communicate using secure network protocols. Is it a system requirements? Yes. Customer wants 24-hour access. It's a functionality? No, right? ATM shall store transaction logs. Yes, it's a system requirement. Customer prefer larger screen buttons. This is not a system requirement. It's accessibility. Okay, so let's go through one by one. ATM shall encrypted PIN data. ATM shall communicate using secure network protocols. ATM shall store transaction logs. So these are technical requirements. Now let's go to business requirements. Customer shall withdraw cash using ATM machine. Yes, this is a business requirement. ATM shall encrypt PIN information. This is a system requirement, right? Customer shall change ATM PIN number. Yes, this is a system requirement. System shall maintain audit logs. No, this is the technical requirement. Customer shall check account balance. Yes, this is business requirement. ATM shall use secure network connection. No. Okay. So these are the 3 business requirements. Withdrawal should be allowed. User should be able to change the PIN. User should be able to check the account balance. Okay. These are coming from business as a business requirement. Next exercise, build requirement components. Okay. Match the correct title and description here. So we have 3 features: cash withdrawal, PIN change, balance inquiry. Okay. So let's choose the right description for here. Cash withdrawal. Display current account balance. Allow customer to update ATM PIN. Allow customer to withdraw funds from account. So first we have cash withdrawal. I guess right title should be cash withdrawal, right? So let me bring the title here. So I'll write it here. Okay. So this is the title. So next we have PIN change. Allow customer to PIN change. That's the right one, right? Next one, we have balance inquiry. Display the current balance. So you can, this is your mini version of your user story, right? So Jira title, balance inquiry, display current account balance. You can write as a description or requirement. PIN change, allow customer to update ATM PIN. Third one, cash withdrawal, allow customer to withdraw funds from account. Okay, so now let's choose the right acceptance criteria for the cash withdrawal functionality. Okay. A, customer enters withdrawal amount. Do we need to test this one? Yes, this is the right acceptance criteria. B, ATM dispense required cash. Yes, this is the right acceptance criteria. C, ATM vendor installed machine. Is it acceptance criteria? No. Account balance reduced correctly. Yes, this is the acceptance criteria. Network cable connected. This is non-functionality. Okay. So these are the acceptance, sorry, wrong color. Okay. So here your user story is written here, cash withdrawal, allow customer to withdraw funds from account, verify customer should be able to enter the withdrawal amount, verify ATM machine dispense requested cash, verify account balance reduced correctly, right? So this is a complete user story. So you can build user story for similar manner acceptance criteria for the PIN change and the balance inquiry. Okay, that's your homework. So now let's build the requirement. The ATM machine shall allow customer to cash from their account. What's the right answer? ATM machine transfer, withdraw, upload, delete. Withdraw, right? Let's copy this one. Okay. Second question. The ATM shall validate customers before processing transaction. Email, password, PIN, address. It's not the password, it's PIN. The ATM shall validate the customer's PIN before processing transaction. All right? Okay. So now let's identify the test cases. Which items are test cases here? That's the task we have here. Verify ATM dispense correct cash amount. Is it a test case? Yes, this is a test case. We need to validate. Okay, next one, customer want faster withdrawal. Is it a test case? No. Verify withdrawal fails with incorrect PIN number. This is expected behavior, right? This is a test case. Negative test case, sorry. The ATM shall encrypt PIN information. The test case? No. Verify balance updates after withdrawal. Is it a test case? Do we need to verify? Yes. Okay. Okay. So this is your summary. So we have one more exercise here. Identify the system. Match the activity to the correct system. Check suspicious transactions. What is the right system here? Fraud system, right? Sends transaction alert. What's the right system here? Notification system. Dispenses cash, ATM machine. Update account balance, core banking. Okay, so this is the answer key. I'll attach in the video. So what we learned today, let's make a summary. So you learned business requirement for the ATM, withdraw cash, change PIN, check balance. These are the core functionality. Technical requirement, encrypt PIN, secure network communication, store transaction logs. Acceptance criteria, amount entered, verify cash dispense, verify balance updated. So you can make, if it is test cases, you can verify successful withdrawal, invalid PIN handling, right PIN handling, balance verification. So you can build negative and positive test cases around this one. So the ATM flow, customer insert card, enter PINs, select withdrawal, enter amount, ATM send request, fraud check, core banking updates balance, cash dispensed, receipt printed. All right. I'll see you guys in a different video. Thank you.